Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So yesterday guys, I went to a food store and they displayed amazing exotic fruit. So I came across dragon fruit and I thought of picking it just because it was written over the instruction that it is amazing for your skin. It helps in giving your skin a natural glow because it has lots and lots of vitamin C, B and all the essential minerals. So I thought of getting one for myself and trying it out for you guys and see how well does it work. So in this video, I'll be applying dragon fruit face mask on my skin, just the raw dragon fruit guys, and we are going to see how well does it work. So we are going to get into the video guys. And guys, it is also believed that it has some amazing benefits for your health as well. Like it is good for your heart, it is good for diabetic people. So if you feel like, you can even have some to eat. So I'll have some for myself. So guys, here I wish that it does some wonders to my skin because it tastes so bad. The mixture in a bowl, and I'm going to apply this dragon fruit mixture on my face using a brush. And if you have any sunburned areas on your skin, you can apply it there as well, and just make sure that you cover your face properly. And this is a little runny solution, so be little careful there, and then keep applying it on your face guys. It is believed to be a rich source of vitamin C and vitamin B, which helps in nourishing the skin and helps in fading the scars you have on your face and even the pigmentation. And also apply it on your neck, and once I get done, I am going to wait for 20 to 30 minutes till this dries up completely. After that guys, I have washed my face, and using a clean towel I'm going to remove this water and I'm going to dab it on my face. And I have seen a tremendous softness, and my skin has become really beautiful, as you guys can see for yourself. And over a prolonged use, it is going to reap some amazing benefits. So guys, this is it for this video. Also do let me know in the comments down below if you have any request for any video you want me to do. I'm going to try out different exotic food just to see how well does it work on my skin. And also make sure to subscribe to my channel now and hit that bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you do not miss any update from my channel and be a part of Beauty Squad guys. And also don't forget to follow me on my social media, link to which I'm going to leave in the description box below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys. Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So yesterday I was at a food store and I saw these exotic fruit. They were displayed there, and then I came across this dragon fruit, and there were